Is your kitchen layout working as hard as you do? Imagine a space where every inch is optimized. No more cluttered counters or wasted corners. In 2025, minimalist kitchen designs are all about clever layouts and smart storage solutions that make your life easier. From hidden drawers to multifunctional islands, these ideas blend style with practicality. Ready to transform your kitchen into a sleek and efficient masterpiece? Let's dive into the best hacks that will redefine how you use your space. Smart storage solutions. 1. Use vertical space when you run out of room. Think up. Install floating shelves above your cabinets or on empty walls. They hold extra dishes, cookbooks, or even decorative jars. This trick adds storage and keeps things within easy reach. Plus, it makes your kitchen look taller. 2. Magnetic spice rack. Spices can take up too much space in your cabinets. Try a magnetic spice rack on the side of your fridge. It keeps your spices organized and frees up shelf space. Plus, it looks modern and neat. 3. Adhesive hooks inside cabinets. Don't waste the inside of your cabinet doors. Stick adhesive hooks to hang small items like measuring spoons, oven mitts, or dish towels. It's an easy way to keep things tidy and accessible. 4. Over-the-door organizers. Maximize your cabinet doors with over-the-door organizers. Use them in your pantry or under the sink. They hold cleaning supplies, snacks, or cutting boards. This keeps small items from cluttering your shelves. 5. Rolling storage cart. A rolling storage cart is a game changer for small kitchens. It fits in tight spaces and gives you extra storage for snacks, spices, or coffee supplies. The best part? You can roll it out when you need it and tuck it away when you don't. 6. Undershelf baskets. Add undershelf baskets to your cabinets. They hang below shelves and hold small items like mugs or dishcloths. This clever hack lets you use the empty space between shelves. 7. Pegboards for wall storage. Don't let your walls stay empty. Use a pegboard to hang pots, pans, and cooking tools. You can arrange it any way you like. It keeps everything organized and easy to grab while saving drawer space. 8. Sliding pantry drawers. If you have deep cabinets, install sliding pantry drawers. They pull out, so you can see everything at a glance. No more digging for lost items in the back. 9. Stackable bins and baskets. Stackable bins or baskets make the most of vertical space. Use them in your pantry, fridge, or cabinets. They keep things organized and easy to access. Plus, you can sort items by category, like snacks, grains, or utensils. 10. Ceiling-mounted pot rack. If your cabinets are full, hang a ceiling-mounted pot rack. It holds your heaviest cookware and frees up storage. Plus, it gives your kitchen a stylish, professional look. These smart storage hacks prove that even the smallest kitchen can hold more if you use the right tricks. But we're just getting started. Now that your storage is optimized, let's look at space-saving appliances that streamline your daily routine. Space-saving appliances. When space is limited, every appliance needs to work smarter. The right gadgets can save you time, space, and hassle. Here are 10 must-have appliances that make a big impact in small kitchens. 11. Compact air fryer. A compact air fryer does the job of an oven, but takes up way less space. It's perfect for quick meals, and many models fit neatly under your cabinets. Plus, you save energy by not using a full-sized oven. 12. Slim dishwasher. A slimline dishwasher is a lifesaver for small kitchens. It fits in narrow spaces while handling daily dishes. Many models are just 18 inches wide, making them perfect for tiny homes. 13. Multifunctional blender. Choose a multifunctional blender that also works as a food processor. It saves space by combining two appliances in one. Look for a compact model that can be tucked away when not in use. 14. Foldable electric kettle. A foldable electric kettle is a space-saving genius. It collapses when not in use, leaving you with more counter space. It's ideal for small kitchens or even RVs. 15. 2-in-1 toaster oven. Why have two appliances when one will do? A toaster oven that also air fries or bakes saves both space and money. Look for a model with multiple functions to get the most out of it. 16. Under cabinet coffee maker. Free up counter space with an under cabinet coffee maker. It mounts below your upper cabinets, giving you easy access while keeping your counters clear. 17. Portable induction cooktop. A portable induction cooktop adds extra cooking space when you need it. When you're done, just store it away. It's perfect for small kitchens with limited burners. 18. Mini fridge with freezer. If your kitchen is extra tiny, a mini fridge with a freezer can be a game changer. It provides enough space for essentials while saving floor space. 19. Wall-mounted microwave. Instead of taking up counter space, install a wall-mounted microwave. It keeps your work surfaces clear and your microwave easily accessible. 20. Compact washer-dryer combo. In some small homes, the kitchen doubles as a laundry area. A compact washer-dryer combo fits neatly under counters and does both jobs in one machine. With these space-saving appliances, your small kitchen will work smarter, not harder. Coming up next, genius organization hack that will make your kitchen feel twice as big. And wait until you see hack number 30. It's a total game changer. Genius organization hacks. Now that we've covered smart storage and space-saving appliances, it's time to organize these genius hacks that will help you keep everything in place without adding clutter. 21. Drawer dividers for utensils. Messy drawers? Drawer dividers keep utensils and gadgets in neat sections. You'll find what you need faster and avoid the clutter. Bonus tip: use adjustable dividers to fit any drawer size. 22. Lazy Susan turntables. A Lazy Susan isn't just for dining tables. Use one in cabinets or the fridge to keep condiments, sauces, or spices organized. Just spin it to reach what you need, no more digging around. 23. Magnetic knife strip. Free up counter space by swapping the knife block for a magnetic knife strip. Mount it on a wall or backsplash to keep knives secure and easily accessible. Plus, it adds a modern touch to your kitchen. 24. Clear storage containers. Store dry goods in clear stackable containers. They save space, keep food fresh, and let you see everything at a glance. Label them for even better organization. 25. Pull-out cabinet organizers. Deep cabinets can become black holes for storage. Install pull-out organizers to bring everything forward with ease. Perfect for pots, pans, or cleaning supplies. 26. Tiered shelf risers. Use tiered shelf risers in cabinets to create levels. This trick helps you store canned goods or spices without wasting vertical space. You'll see everything clearly and avoid stacking messes. 27. Hanging fruit basket. Instead of bowls cluttering your counter, hang a tiered fruit basket. It keeps fruits and vegetables fresh while adding a stylish touch. Plus, it frees up valuable surface space. 28. Clip-on shelf organizers. Add clip-on organizers under shelves to hold small items like mugs, dishcloths, or snacks. This simple hack lets you use the empty space under shelves that usually goes to waste. 29. Label everything. Labels may seem small, but they make a big difference. Use them on containers, jars, or bins to keep everything in its place. You'll spend less time searching and more time cooking. 30. Rolling under sink caddy. The space under your sink often becomes a mess. A rolling caddy makes it easy to organize and access cleaning supplies. Just roll it out when you need something and tuck it back in when you're done. With these genius organization hacks, your kitchen will feel bigger, tidier, and easier to manage. And up next, clever layout ideas without taking up extra space. You won't want to miss hack number 36. It's a clever trick that will instantly elevate your kitchen space. Clever layout ideas. A well-planned layout can transform any kitchen into a functional and stylish space. In 2025, minimalist kitchen designs prioritize smart and efficient layouts that maximize every inch while maintaining a sleek, modern look. The key is to blend creativity with practicality, ensuring that every feature serves a purpose without overwhelming the design. 31. Vertical storage solutions. Use tall cabinets and vertical shelving to make the most of your wall space. This not only keeps countertops clear but also draws the eye upward, creating a sense of height and openness. Opt for adjustable shelves to customize storage for items of different sizes. 32. Corner drawer systems. transform hard-to-reach corners with specialized corner drawers. Unlike traditional cabinets, these drawers pull out diagonally, offering easy access to otherwise wasted space. Perfect for storing pots, pans, or kitchen gadgets. 33. Slim pull-out pantry. Maximize narrow spaces by adding a slim pull-out pantry beside your fridge or stove. This clever solution keeps everyday essentials like spices, oils, and dry goods within arm's reach while maintaining a clean and organized appearance. 34. Under cabinet lighting. Brighten your workspace with LED strip lights installed under cabinets. Not only do they provide better task lighting for cooking, but they also add a warm, inviting glow to your kitchen. 35. Floating shelves. Replace bulky upper cabinets with sleek floating shelves to open up your kitchen visually. These shelves are perfect for displaying stylish dishware or keeping frequently used items easily accessible while maintaining a clean, airy feel. 36. Hidden appliances garages. Create a dedicated space to store small appliances like coffee makers and toasters with a hidden appliance garage. This keeps your countertops uncluttered while allowing quick access when needed. Consider a roll-up or slide-in door for smooth operation. 37. Dual-purpose kitchen island. Design your kitchen island to serve multiple functions. Choose an island with built-in storage, a pull-out cutting board, or extendable seating to maximize its use. In small kitchens, an island that doubles as a dining table or work area is a game-changer. 38. Pocket doors for pantry. Save space and add a modern touch by installing pocket doors on pantry cabinets. These doors slide neatly into the wall, offering easy access without swinging open. They are perfect for small kitchens where every inch counts. 39. Magnetic knife strips. Free up drawer space by installing a magnetic strip to hold knives and metal utensils. This simple yet effective solution keeps your essential tools within easy reach while adding a minimalist, professional look to your kitchen. 40. Fold-down counter extension. Need extra prep space? Add fold-down counter extensions that you can raise when cooking and tuck away when you're done. This is an excellent solution for compact kitchens, offering flexibility without permanent bulk. These clever layout ideas will make your kitchen both beautiful and highly functional. By combining innovative designs with smart space-saving solutions, you can create a kitchen that works hard while looking effortlessly stylish. Hidden gems and unexpected spaces. These hidden storage gems will help you find space you didn't know you had. A minimalist kitchen doesn't mean sacrificing storage. The key is to find clever, hidden spots that most people overlook. These hacks will help you use every inch of your kitchen efficiently while maintaining a sleek, uncluttered look. 41. Toe-kick drawers. The space beneath your cabinets is often wasted, but toe-kick drawers turn it into hidden storage. These shallow, discreet drawers are perfect for flat items like baking sheets, placemats, or even seasonal kitchen accessories. They slide out easily and blend seamlessly into your cabinetry. 42. Corner shelves. Corners can be tricky to utilize, but adding custom corner shelves transforms them into valuable storage. Install open corner shelves to store cookbooks, decorative pieces, or frequently used items. For closed cabinets, consider adding a rotating Lazy Susan or pull-out shelves to maximize accessibility. 43. Under-sink drawers. The area under the sink is often chaotic, but adding pull-out drawers makes it functional. Use sliding trays or tiered drawers to organize cleaning supplies, dishwashing essentials, or even extra sponges. This vertical storage solution keeps everything neat and within reach. 44. Backsplash shelves. Why let your backsplash be just decorative? Install slim shelves along the backsplash to hold spices, condiments, or small jars. This keeps your cooking essentials accessible while freeing up valuable counter space. Choose floating shelves for a modern, minimalist touch. 45. Cabinet door racks. The inside of your cabinet doors is a hidden goldmine for extra storage. Install slim racks or hooks to hold cutting boards, baking trays, or even pot lids. This simple hack keeps bulky items out of the way but easy to grab when needed. 46. Appliance garage. Keep your countertops clear by creating an appliance garage. These custom cubbies hide everyday appliances like toasters, coffee makers, or blenders. With a simple roll-up or sliding door, you can tuck appliances away while keeping them ready for use. Hack 47. Foldable chairs. In small kitchens, seating can take up precious space. Use foldable chairs that store flat against the wall or slide into a slim nook. This solution provides extra seating when you need it and tucks away neatly when you don't. 48. Overfridge shelf. The space above the refrigerator is often overlooked. Add a custom shelf to store rarely used items like large serving platters, specialty cookware, or pantry overflow. You can also use stylish baskets to keep the area organized and visually appealing. 49. Behind the door hooks. Maximize hidden spaces by adding hooks behind pantry or cabinet doors. These hooks are perfect for hanging aprons, oven mitts, or utensils. You can also use them to store small baskets or bags for additional lightweight storage. 50. Hidden trash pull-out. Keep garbage and recycling bins out of sight with a hidden pull-out system. Install a slide-out drawer inside a lower cabinet to hold waste bins. This keeps your kitchen looking clean and eliminates the visual clutter of exposed trash cans. These hidden storage hacks reveal the secret spaces in your kitchen, helping you stay organized while maintaining a sleek, minimalist design. With these 50 clever small kitchen hacks, you can turn even the tiniest space into a stylish and efficient masterpiece. From smart storage to space-saving appliances, every tip is designed to help you maximize every inch. Which hack will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because we've got even more game-changing home hacks coming your way. Your dream kitchen is closer than you think. Start transforming your space today.